What is going on, everybody? I hope you guys are all having a fantastic day today. What we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be reacting to some freaking awesome TikToks, ladies and gents. Your boy is drinking the amino energy drinks. These are freaking amazing. Super tasty. I'm not sponsored, but I want to be sponsored. Basically, Desire doesn't like Star Wars, and that's upsetty spaghetti, because if he doesn't like Star Wars, then, like, you know, something's kind of wrong. Like, the boy doesn't like Star Wars. Who doesn't like Star Wars? Can we just get a hashtag I agree down below? Can we get that? Alrighty, guys, let's just go ahead and watch some TikToks, shall we? Why? Why is that a thing? That is so pointless.
Hell no, man.
How do you miss? You could have gotten closer.
Excuse me, ma'am. I have a boyfriend. Okay, that's great. I just want to let you know that your tire's flat.
Will you help me?
Get your boyfriend here.
I never realized how bad the acting was in Spider-Man.
What was that?
Somebody left a picture of Jeff Bezos on my car, and then a blind guy cheated on me. Why won't this flip?
A blind guy? Wasn't expecting him to see other. Were you?
What the fuck was that?
You're choking, but there's a 15 seconds.
Let's get the ads, and you're like, I don't know what to do.
Let me just.
You know that person took 2 hours to get out of that. What? My feet hurt so bad. Is there something I can sit down? When you're trying to finish up the game, you're on the verge of this is so true. Looking for the remote to turn it down.
You can't turn this down.
I'm gonna make that my new sound alert. The coordination. Dang. Anxiety as a kid. Dude, why? Why? You know you start freaking out. Every time my mom left me and she's like, oh, I'm gonna go run to the back of the store real quick. You stay here, that you're second in line in place. And then the second you get into place and you're next in line and he starts going through your groceries, he's speed demoning it, bro. He's going through everything as quickly as he's skipping stuff.
Assistance is on the way.
Homie ate it, bro.
A 13-year-old boy tried to fight me today, but by pure coincidence, I happened to know his mom on a first-name basis. I yelled her name, she looked at me and smiled, and after that, I told him, I'm gonna f your mom. I gave that boy more psychological damage than any ex-girlfriend he will ever have.
Excuse me, are you filming me? Are you filming me? I can film too.
Ma'am, it's for the show.
I'm gonna call the cops.
My name is Karen.
Of course it is.
I don't believe in hitting women, but I'm about to slap this bitch.
When your mom say, come get the groceries.
Guys, we all do this. We ain't taking multiple trips. We are loading the 100+ bags that our mom got from the grocery store all the way up our arm. We're putting them around our necks and doing the other arm. We'll even attach them to our thighs just so we don't have to take another trip out to the car.
When you use the bathroom after your dad uses it.
It's like a flashbang and a smoke grenade all at the same time. Oh. I just heard the lyrics. Did the man just fucking die?
Bro, where you at? Where you? Dude, bro, come on. I ain't even hit you that hard, bro.
All the flies. It's kind of a perk, I guess.
Move out.
This is my house, all right? It's my house.
Who? Why?
It's time for it to come down.
No, but I love the pretzel. This is a full-on memorial. This is the account I chose to start watching the TikTok videos. I'll be linking them in the video description as well, so you guys can check that all out as well if you guys want to. TikTok, but if you laugh, you lose. Hard edition. We gotta do it. Oh!
Use pin pad to complete transaction.
He's so into it, man.
There's nothing to appreciate a man for.
That's what you think.
Homie just board slid. Oh god. Yo!
Make sure you hunch over like this.
Oh, okay. Let's see if this works.
Homie just ripped himself a new asshole.
Yo, what are you looking at? Who's that?
I'm gonna keep it real. That guy's TikToks are so annoying sometimes where he's just full blatantly screaming. It throws me off.
Really turned this and this into laughing emojis.
How the freak do you change the voice?
Bro, yeah, bro. Come outside, fam. I wanna pay, bro. Come outside, bro.
What? Where's his head?
As a man's in a tortoise, bro.
Me screenshotting the GC every time someone says something.
You cannot screenshot the group chat with the boys. You can't. Too much stuff gets said in there.
What?
Kevin, I'm sorry. I liked you, Kevin. It's a glorious treasure that gets put on pizza. You're wrong.
Pineapple is a fruit.
And?
I am the one, the way your son don't need a gun to get respect up on the street.
I'm gonna be the last person on earth to ever touch this rock.
You really thought.
How do you go and find the fucking rock?
Any weapons on you today? Guns, knives, pepper spray, any weapons on you at all?
No, but the girls say I'm the bomb.
Hey, he's smooth with it. Oh, okay.
We got whole wheat, gluten-free, Texas toast, gluten-free, tortilla.
Fuck all that. The crackers don't have gluten. I'll take those. Okay, that's gonna be $5. Nah, fuck that. I ain't paying.
Homie, you gotta pay. What the fuck was that? What the fuck did we just watch at the end?